Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, tires are in good condition, brushed aluminum running boards. Also mentioning, this is a certified pre-owned. Our interior is an espresso brown MB Tex. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. And alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. We've got a brown eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with the smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad for our infotainment center. We've got our dynamic selects for different driving settings. This GLE has 38,864 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.